How to create AI images from text prompts using Freepik. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create AI images from text prompts. So the process is rather simple. All you have to do is head over to our website. You can simply search for Freepik image generator in your web browser. After you search for that, you'll find Freepik's website. You'll find AI image generator by Freepik. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will head over to Freepik's website. Log in with your Google, and after you do that, you can then head over to this AI suite section. You can tap on this and then tap on AI image generator. After you tap on it, it'll take you to the AI suite by Freepik. And after you're there, all you now have to do is describe your image. So you can describe whatever you want. So you can simply type in a pig with wings. And after you do that, you can select the model. You can select the style if you want. Composition, effect, character, object, colors. Everything is editable. You can choose one with your liking. Then you can also select how many images you want. You can also select the ratio of the image that you want. Then simply tap on the generate option. Tap on generate and the image should start generating. So there you can see I just wanted 2 pictures, so I set it to 2 and it's now generating 2 of the images. So generation can take time, and while this generates, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And there you can see it has given me a pig with wings. So if I tap on a picture right here, there you can see the image completely. And you can also recreate if you don't like the video, if you don't like the image. And that's basically it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.